back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add animation features, animation font on your Instagram story. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So here I'm going to show you the latest updated features that has been updated from Instagram. That is story. In your story you can put the stylish font and animation font on your Instagram story. You can add the stylish and fashionable font on your story. So watch the video till whatever. So here you have to first of all go to Play Store here, and then after going to Play Store you have to just search for Instagram, and then here make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, so after updating your Instagram, what you need to do here, let me just go back to menu, and then here let me just search for Instagram here, and then after searching for Instagram here, what you need to do here, just click on this icon here, and then you have to click on this plus icon on the top right corner, and here click on story, and then after clicking here, what you have to do here, let me just show you. Just click one normal random picture. Let me just click one picture here. After clicking one picture here, here you can see you will find an text option. Simply tap here, and then here you can see ANIMATION animation. Click on this color, and then you have to click click here. You can see here you can change the color in a minute, and you can change this font also. You can see here animation. So in this way you can you can add the animation features, animation font features on your Instagram story. If you like the video, please do support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.